Graph the function for the given domain if f of x equals negative x plus 4, and you have a domain of negative 4, negative 3, regular 2, regular 4, and regular 6. So we are going to make a table, and I'm going to have it be a three-part table. Okay. Part number one, I have my domain, which is my x values. So let me quick write those out. Negative 4, negative 3, 2, 4, and 6. What I'm going to write out here in this second part is what f of x equals. Now it's going to equal negative x plus 4. So what I'm going to do for each of these numbers individually is I'm going to replace x with parentheses that number. So for negative 4, I can write out something like f of negative 4 equals negative parentheses negative 4 plus 4. Negative 4 is 4 plus 4, and that's going to give you 8. So we'll write that there. We'll deal with that in the third column in a second. Let's do it again. F of negative 3 equals negative parentheses negative 3 plus 4. So the double negative becomes positive. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's do it again. F of 2 equals negative parentheses 2 plus 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So we'll write that out, and we'll write that out. Okay, f of 4 is negative parentheses 4 plus 4. So negative parentheses 4 is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And last but not least, we have ourselves 6. So f of 6 is going to equal negative parentheses 6 plus 4, which is negative 6 plus 4, and negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Now, what this gives us is ordered pairs. And even though it's f of x, remember, f of x is the same exact thing as y. So I'm going to treat this as a point that looks like f of x, okay, or y. So technically, you write out the point like this, but don't overthink it. It's just xy, all right? Since we plugged in negative 4, since our x was negative 4, and after we did that, we got 8, we get the ordered pair negative 4, 8. When I plugged in negative 3, I got 7, so negative 3, 7. When I plugged in 2, I got 2, so 2, 2. It's like we're at a ballet recital. When I plugged in 4, I got 0, so 4, 0. And when I plugged in 6, I got negative 2, so 6, negative 2. Now, let me use different colors to graph each of these points, each of these ordered pairs. Negative 4, 8 means I travel from 0, 0, left 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is my point, negative 4, 8. When I want to do negative 3, 7, I travel from 0, 0, left 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a nice little dot there, and that's negative 3, 7. 2, 2 has me going from 0, 0 and going right 1, 2, up 1, 2. Put a dot there, and there's my 2, 2. 4, 0 has me going from 0, 0 and going right 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 0 tells me don't move. And then last but not least, we have 6. 6, negative 2 has me going right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1, 2. And there you have it. All right, so what this looks like is a bunch of dots that if we were to connect the dots, we would get a straight line. But I'm not going to connect the dots because that's not what they want me to do. They just want me to list these 5 points based off the domain, negative 4, negative 3, 2, 4, and 6. Hope this helps.